It's Thursday, July 22nd, and we have 1 week and 1 day left in this year, or this month, for the 7th month of the year. And of course, time flies. What's going on in real estate today? Let's hit it, because we have some things to talk about. All right. We listed 130 homes yesterday, so that, of course, always makes me happy. We put 128 under contract, and we're holding steady about 24 days. I like 24 days. Between 20 and 24 days, I think, is our sweet spot right now with what Zillow is doing. So, and they are buying homes, as you know, and testing our market a little bit. Anyway, we closed 102 homes yesterday, and our average daily for this month is 130 per day, and that includes the weekends. So last month, which was June, we were at 148, and as I said, I think that by the end of July, I think we're going to hit 140, but we'll see. June's a funny month. When we were recruiting agents, it was always a funny month in June for recruiting agents. And Remax, when we were Remax, good morning. Oh my gosh, you got a notification. Something's working. Yay. Oh, Karen, that's wonderful. Yeah, so when we were recruiting with Remax, July, Remax would tell us, we'd have meetings with them, of course. On a corporate level, they would always stay in touch with their franchisees, as we were. And they always told us that July was really the slowest month across the nation for recruiting, except for Arizona and Nevada. So for some reason, agents in Nevada and Arizona tend to make their changes in July. I'm not sure why that is. Because you would think most agents would say, okay, January is a new year. I'm going to make a change, or I'm going to go start my own company, or whatever the situation was. But that wasn't the case. July was the month. So we'll see what happens. I think, and I'm bringing that up because I think it's the same way with our real estate market. July is just a funny month. So we'll see. We have 43 single family homes that were just listed under 400,000. And we have 1,034 single family homes available under 400,000 that are active. That's good. We're selling $4.5 million homes a day. We're up to 892 for the year, and we have 483 available. So we keep selling and we keep listing. Same thing in that market, the $1 million market, as in the under $1 million market. And then we have Zillow and the non-MLS OfferPad, Open Door, and they have done 2,089 transactions this year, and that's 7.4% of our closings, and they're doing about an average of 10 a day. So they are out there, and you know how I feel if you've been listening to me this week. Scary things going on. Just to let you know that in the group, I posted the stat sheet with the key. You can call it a key or a cheat sheet, if you will, so that when you give it to people, you can tell them, well, this is what this is. It goes 1 through 9, and I talk about the area, I talk about Clark County, and I talk about what each one of these areas is about. And as time goes on, we'll make this even more easier, even for people to read, than it is now.